In 2025, the real question for founders isn't should I build an app? It is how much is this going to cost me? Here's the challenge. Most startups get it wrong. Some underestimate the cost and run out of money during the development, while others overspend on features they didn't even need. This is why, in this video, I'm going to break down the real cost of building an app in 2025. We will discuss from budget-friendly, no-code MVPs to fully custom enterprise builds, and you'll see what's possible. And most importantly, what's right for you. I'm Nakul, Business Development Manager at Apptunix. Over the past decade, we have helped thousands of businesses and startups launch apps across fintech, mobility, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, and beyond. We have seen projects start at $5,000, while some have scaled well beyond $100,000. Let's dive into more details. App development today is nothing like it was a few years ago. Artificial intelligence has sped up development dramatically. Pre-built frameworks mean you don't have to start from zero every time. However, at the same time, expectations have skyrocketed. The users want speed, security, seamless design, and even AI features baked in. So yes, you can build more affordably than before, but you can also burn money faster than ever if you choose the wrong path. Now let's talk numbers. There are 4 main routes founders are taking this year. The first one is AI and no-code minimal viable products. Tools like Bubble, Glide, Replit let you build an MVP without hiring a team. It costs $20 to $100 a month for tools, plus $5,000 to $15,000 later when you need developers to fix limitations. This is the best for solo founders and early stage validation. However, you have to keep in mind that you can only think of this as a prototype and not your long-term business solution. The second one is SaaS platforms and templates. White label solutions like Shopify or ShareTribe let you launch your app quickly. These cost around $100 to $500 a month. At a higher scale, the cost becomes $2,000 to $5,000 a month. If you're a small business that values speed but doesn't mind being tied to someone else's platform, this is the best for you. This is like renting. You move in fast, but you don't own the place. The third option is fully custom development. This is the best option for your app if your app is your business. This would cost around $20,000 to more than $120,000 with a 3 to 12 month development timeline. This option is best for funded startups or enterprises that need control and scalability. Here you own 100% of your app, giving you full flexibility to grow. Last but not the least, the fourth option is pre-built solutions with customization, the sweet spot for most founders. Here you start with a ready-made base like a rideshare, OTT, or an e-learning app, and then just customize it. This costs around $5,000 to $10,000 for the base, plus $10,000 to $20,000 for customization. And the solution takes around 4 to 8 weeks to be delivered to you. It's best for founders who want speed and ownership. It's like buying a house and renovating it instead of building it from scratch. Now, let's move to the part which makes most of the founders sit up straight. Because whichever path you choose, you always think, how much is this actually going to cost me? Honestly, 4 things always drive the cost. The first factor is features like chat, payments, AI, AR, and others, which add complexity. The second factor is the design, which takes us from simple layouts to polished, user-centric experiences. The third factor is the number of integrations that include payment gateways, CRMs, AIs, APIs. And the fourth cost driver is the maintenance, where 10 to 20% of the total development cost every year is for hosting, updates, and security. So, how do you pick the right path? If you're just validating an idea, start with AI or no code. If you're running a small business, SaaS is quick, but be ready for an ongoing fee. If your app is unique and you're funded, go custom, protect your IP. And if you want balance, pre-built solution plus customization gives you speed and ownership. The most successful founders we've worked with launch something lean within 2 to 5 months and then reinvest into custom features as they grow. So, what's the real cost of building an app in 2025? Anywhere from $5,000 to more than $120,000, depending on which path you take. The key isn't just the budget, it's making sure that your approach matches your goals and your timeline. At Apptunix, we've helped thousands of founders avoid costly mistakes and get their apps live faster. If you want clarity on your idea, book a free 30-minute strategy call and we'll walk you through the smartest route for you. And don't forget to grab our free 2025 app development cost guide. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more founder-focused insights. Your app journey starts here. Build smart, build fast, and build for the future.